A lot of outages blamed on Kubernetes are really just existing engineering problems wearing a container costume. One of the least talked about Kubernetes problems is cost, because it usually does not explode all at once. It's idle nodes, oversized requests, dev clusters left running, heavy images, waste that nobody notices because everything is technically still working. That's why Kubernetes bills feel sneaky. You usually don't lose money in one dramatic mistake. You lose it in 100 boring ones. Kubernetes is not expensive because it's evil. It's expensive because waste scales. Kubernetes is great at orchestrating workloads. It is not great at protecting you from bad resource decisions. If your requests are inflated, your limits are sloppy, and your clusters are oversized, Kubernetes will happily run all of that and send you the bill later. That's why it's running fine is not the same thing as it's running efficiently. Kubernetes optimizes placement, not your judgment. A lot of teams move to Kubernetes hoping it will clean things up. But if your app is unstable, your ownership is fuzzy, and your deploy process is messy, Kubernetes is not going to rescue that. It'll just give those problems more moving parts. A lot of outages blamed on Kubernetes are really just existing engineering problems wearing a container costume. Kubernetes doesn't remove chaos. It gives chaos more places to live. A lot of teams adopt Kubernetes because it's popular, not because it's necessary. If your app is simple, your scaling needs are predictable, and your team is small, Kubernetes may be giving you more operational overhead than actual value. It's a fantastic tool. It is also very easy to over-apply. Kubernetes is powerful. That does not mean it is always the right trade. So yeah, if Kubernetes has ever felt way messier in production than it did in the lab, that is normal. That is the real part. If you are running Kubernetes in the real world, drop the thing that bit your team the hardest, and follow for more production first DevOps content.